Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a kind of a help tip or trick for your PS4. Now sometimes when you're playing on your PS4 with your friends, sometimes you'll experience a glitch. You might experience a glitch with your headset where you're able to talk to your friends and they can hear you, but you can't hear a word they're saying. Now it will mean that your headset's busted, but you can sort this as a temporary kind of fix while you're getting a new one or waiting for it. So what you gotta do, you gotta go straight to the settings. You gotta go to devices, audio, then output to device, and you click on TV or amplifier. Then you should be able to hear whatever it is. Now I don't know if you can hear this, so I'm gonna just turn it up. My friends aren't talking at the moment, but now you can hear it. Whereas if I go to this, it won't do anything. So yeah. So I hope this helped you out. So yeah, now you should be able to hear your friends talking as well. But just know this is a temporary fix. You can use it if you want, but I'd recommend just getting a new headset if this happens, because that headset that I got, it just it broke. So yeah. Anyway, guys, for more great content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.